Nkunzi and Gabsile grow closer and closer. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 11th to the 15th of October 2021 on Monday. Nosipho drags Njeza to the couple's seminar, but this does not yield the desired outcome. Nkunzi makes an anonymous donation to aid Gabsile's cause on Tuesday. Njeza beats up Nosipho again. Nosipho buys a gun. Sibonelo's problems mount up against him on Wednesday. Sbo makes his feeling about gender-based violence known to Njeza. Pastor Gwala's announcement is not well received by the board members. Nkunzi and Gabsile grows closer and closer on Thursday. Will Sibonelo cower to the demands of Raphael? Meanwhile, Hlelo overhears the Hlobos discussing Mamlambo and her inexplicable new baby. Nosipho explores the Mjolo app and makes an interesting find on Friday. Nkunzi sweeps Gabsile off her feet with a series of romantic dates. Njeza reveals to Nosipho how his past shaped him into the man he is today. Mrs. Madlala thinks it's time they do the right thing and reports a matter to the police. Bonelo comes up with a plan to get rid of Raphael once and for all. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.